What's going on, everyone? We're back with an issue that now has everyone in the action cam community on edge. The GoPro Hero 14 is perhaps one of the most anticipated cameras we've seen in years, if you've been keeping up with the scene. Typically, the GoPro September release cycle allows us to set our watches. However, we knew something enormous was going on behind the scenes when September 2025 arrived and passed without a flagship. As it happens, we were correct to hold off. GoPro just revealed the GP3 processor, thus breaking the silence. To be honest, this device has incredible specs. They didn't only want to provide us with another incremental update, as is now evident. They were awaiting the technological advancement of their vision. Today, we'll discuss the reasons behind the 14's delay, the true implications of this new cinema-grade processor, and what to anticipate from the 2026 lineup. Now, let's get started. To understand why the Hero 14 is such a big deal, we have to look at why it's so long overdue. For over a decade, we've had a reliable yearly cycle. The Hero 13 Black launched in September 2024, and we were all very confident that 2025 would bring the next evolution. But instead of rushing out a Hero 14 with minor tweaks, GoPro smartly diversified. While the flagship took a breather, we saw the arrival of the Max 2, a true 8K 360 camera with replaceable lenses, and the Lit Hero, which is that compact 4K lifestyle cam with the built-in light. We even got a new AI gimbal accessory. But after the recent reveal of the GP3 processor, we are now very confident that the flagship Hero is finally coming back, and it's bringing a whole new era of performance with it. CEO Nick Woodman hasn't been shy about the hype, calling the GP3 bleeding-edge cinema performance. From what we've gathered, this chip is going to allow GoPro to step into the ultra-premium imaging market. It's a 5-nanometer system-on-chip built exclusively for GoPro, and the numbers are staggering. We're looking at approximately 2x the pixel processing power of the old GP2. But the real kicker is the dedicated AI Neural Processing Unit, NPU. This allows for real-time scene and subject detection, which should mean massive improvements in low-light performance, dynamic range, and thermal efficiency. For those of us who have struggled with cameras overheating in 5.3K or 4K 120 modes, the GP3 might be finally the solution we've been waiting for. Now, around March 17, 2026, GoPro dropped some official teaser footage that was explicitly labeled as being shot on the next-generation camera system. And let us tell you, this isn't your typical hyper-sharp wide-angle action footage. We saw stunning macro shots with razor-sharp foreground detail, and get this, natural bokeh. We're talking a shallow depth of field where the iris of an eye is sharp, but the skin has a creamy blur. We also saw exceptional low-light shots of moon craters and fire scenes with smooth highlight roll-off and minimal noise. It's a huge departure from the classic action cam look. Analysts and creators are already calling it. GoPro's next camera probably isn't just an action camera. It's a versatile tool for high-end filmmaking. So, what should we actually expect when the Hero 14 Black leads the Q2 2026 wave? Based on everything we've seen, we're likely looking at a device that delivers dramatically better night shooting and significantly longer battery runtimes. Rumors suggest anywhere from 40 to 90% increases in some modes. We expect smarter AI-powered stabilization, likely Hypersmooth 7.0, and higher resolution options, possibly even touching 8K at 30 FPS or 5.3K at a massive 240 FPS. As for the price, we're speculating it'll land between $400 and $450. Given that the Hero 13 launched at $399 and we're seeing such a massive jump in core specs, a slight price increase feels completely understandable.
But the real story here is the broader 2026 lineup. GoPro's diversification strategy is in full swing. We aren't just getting the Hero 14. We're likely seeing a Max 3 for next-gen 360 work and a dedicated vlogging camera designed to rival the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, featuring a flip screen and strong low-light performance. There's even talk of an ultra-premium compact cinema-grade camera. This aligns perfectly with what we've heard in investor calls. The Hero line isn't dead, but the GP3 chip gives GoPro the foundation to chase growth in entirely new segments. The bottom line for us, GoPro is officially back in innovation mode. The GP3 processor and that cinematic teaser footage mark a genuine reset for the brand. After years of steady but incremental updates, 2026 is looking like the year GoPro reclaims the spotlight. This feels like the biggest generational leap we've seen since the Hero 10 introduced the GP2 chip. If you've been holding off on upgrading your setup, the Hero 14 and its siblings are going to be worth every bit of the wait. We're keeping our eyes peeled for the official launch window, which is currently targeted for Q2 2026. We'll be right here to bring you the first hands-on impressions and full spec breakdowns the moment more details drop. So, what upgrade are you most hyped for? Is it the low light magic, the cinematic bokeh, or finally getting those longer runtimes? Let us know in the comments below. Give us a like if you're as excited as we are, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the big reveal. We'll see you in the next one.